Hello, my name is Alistair, and today's job is to show how the engine mounts have been designed. Um, this is for the single-seater Monoposto design based on Austin 7 running gear. I've been using CAD today to design the engine mounts because they're a three-dimensional puzzle, and this is where the technology comes into hand. This is a 3D drawing of the engine mounts. In particular, I'm designing these items here, there, and around the other side as well. This is a very good illustration of how a 3D drawing package can actually help you. It allows you to view all the constraints and all the different angles and how they interact. The engine mounts. We decided that we wanted this 35 millimeters below the line of the rear axle, which gives a slight tilt to the prop shaft, which apparently makes the thing work properly. All these engine mount bees have been fabricated at 3mm steel. There's going to be a plate on the front of these in order to close them properly, because otherwise they'll have no lateral stability other than the chassis. The other side is much the same, but much closer to the chassis, obviously. Only this mounting really is in line with the original mounting. The rest are all offset due to the rear axle.